Well, this is a treat. Lamborghini Aventador SV.
It's pretty nice.
Carbon fiber door panels. Get that nice red leather pull tab. Leather is so fine and grainy. Super veloce. Matte carbon fiber wing. I love that. Oh, what a view. That's cool. Yeah, that is nice. It's not a sticker, it's actually in the paint. You guys know how I love my aggressive diffuser. I always prefer matte over gloss carbon, just because it's kind of underrated in my opinion. We're gonna be tinting this. Are you excited about this one, Dustin?
No.
This is nice glass though, Dustin. What does that mean? So it's high quality. I mean, this looks nice. The edge here normally on a lot of newer cars, it's not clean. It's all like jagged and it's smooth. I think this is my first time doing a tint walk around on a Lamborghini in the vlogs. Aventador SV with Photosync 30 on the sides and the back, keeping it nice and dark and, you know, giving that a little bit of privacy while still being legal, of course. And then Photosync 70 on the front windshield. That front windshield is massive, guys. It's super slanted and it lets in a lot of heat because of the size, so definitely benefits from having Photosync on all the windows, keeping it nice and cool.